Hello guys, I am RahulRaj, Java developer. Welcome to the first episode of Java programming tutorial. Well, do you know about Java? Java is a high-level programming language. First of all, we can look what is program. Program means a set of instructions that are given to a computer system in order to perform a particular task. That is what is known as a program. Now, what is language? Language is nothing but a medium for communication. Now, what is programming language? Programming language means a medium for communication using writing programs to the computer system. That is, we can communicate with a computer system by writing a set of instructions or by writing a program. That is what is known as a programming language. Now, do you know guys, what is the exact meaning of Java? Java means coffee. Java coffee. Java was named because the creators of Java consumed more amount of coffee. Funny, yeah? So the Java was named as Java. Now, welcome to the history of Java. In 1990, the Sun Microsystems decided to develop programs for electronic devices, and James Gosling was headed for this job. The project was named as the Green Project. In 1991, they created a new programming language called Awk, O-A-K, by exploring the programming language C++. And they created web applets and their own web browser at last called Hot Java. And later, in 1995, they renamed the Awk programming language into Java. And at that time, Java got more support from the most popular companies like Microsoft and Netscape Navigator. In 1996, the first version of Java was released called JDK 1.0. Do you know what is JDK? JDK stands for Java Development Kit. That is a particular kit that contains the essential features to create Java programs. And the JDK consists of the compiler, the interpreter, applet, disassembler, and more. Later, they released several versions of Java as JDK 1.1, J2SE 1.2, J2SE 1.3, J2SE 1.4, Java 5, Java 6, and Java 7. Up to the beginning of 2013, they released Java 7 as the latest version. And there was a tremendous change in the field of Java during the year 2010. That is, Oracle buys Sun. That is, the Oracle Corporation buys all the features of Sun, including the Java programming language. Now, we can see what are all the features of Java programming language. The first feature is Java is a platform-independent programming language. Why is Java is platform-independent? Because the Java is both compiled and interpreted. The first of all, the Java compiler takes the entire program and converts to a particular code, that is bytecode. Unlike C and C++, Java converts the Java program into bytecode. In C or C++, the compiler converts the program into direct machine language. But in Java, the Java program is compiled to form a code called bytecode. And this bytecode will be contained in a class file. And the Java interpreter takes the bytecode and execute the code for a virtual machine called Java Virtual Machine. So, the Java is platform independent because first of all, the Java program is taken by the compiler and compiled to bytecode, and this bytecode will be executed by the interpreter for a virtual machine, not for Windows, not for DOS, not for Mac, but for a virtual machine. So the code can be run in any machine, that is a virtual machine. That is the first feature of Java. Now we can go for the second feature, that is Java is object oriented. We know C++ is an object oriented programming language. Is C++ fully object oriented? No. Just because any program that violates the concept of data hiding cannot be included in the particular feature object oriented. C++ is an object oriented, it is a semi object oriented programming language. Why? Because the data hiding concept is violated in C++ just because of the friend function. The friend function is a non-member function which can access the private data member of a class, so it violates the concept of data hiding, and C++ cannot be included in object-oriented programming languages. But in Java, there is no feature called friend function, and the private members of a class cannot be accessed outside the class. Even the main method will be included in a class. So in Java, everything is class and everything will be considered as object. So Java is a purely object oriented programming language. Now the third one is Java is robust. Robust just because the chance of commitment of error rate is comparatively low because of the features called exception handling. That is, the runtime errors or exceptions can be effectively handled by Java. And there is another important concept, that is automatic garbage collector. The automatic garbage collector is a program that will free the unwanted memory, and Java manages the memory automatically. So Java is robust. The next feature is Java is a highly secured language, that is security. In Java, the unauthorized and unwanted memory access is prohibited. Unlike C or C++, in C and C++ there is a concept called pointers. Using the pointer, we can directly access the memory. In Java, there is no concept called pointer and we cannot access the memory unwanted. So Java is highly secure, and moreover, writing a virus in Java programming language is considered as impossible. So Java is secure. Now we can see different editions of, that is J2SE, J2EE and J2ME. J2SE stands for Java 2 Standard Edition, J2EE stands for Java 2 Enterprise Edition, J2ME stands for Java 2 Micro Edition. The standard edition of Java, that is J2SE, is used to create softwares for standalone system. That is, for normal application development we use J2SE. J2EE is used to create program for servers, that is web based, and J2ME is used to create programs for small electronic devices like mobile phones, washing machine, oven, etc. So these are the editions of Java. And note that Java is not JavaScript. Do you know the difference between Java and JavaScript? Java is not JavaScript. Java is a programming language while JavaScript is a scripting language. Java is a product of Oracle Corporation and JavaScript is the product of Netscape Navigator. So Java is not JavaScript, remember. Now you have to take care of some technical terms related to Java. The first one is JDK. I have already told about JDK, Java Development Kit. The kit is used to develop Java programs which consist of the compiler, interpreter, etc. The second one is JRE, the Java Runtime Environment, that enables the Java programs to run, that including the virtual machine. The next one is Applet. Applet is a Java program which can be run in a browser. And another one is Servlet. Servlet is a Java program which is written for servers. So guys, finish the history of Java. So in the next tutorial we can see more about Java and we can see how to write and execute Java programs. Till then, bye bye, and I am going to have a cup of coffee.